Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, we're doing a Christmas makeup glam. Okay, so first off, I started by trimming her brows and just making sure everything is in place. Then I went on to draw the brows. I used Davis brow pencil in color 18 for the outline, while to fill it in I used the same Davis brow pencil in color 3. Then to highlight the brows, I am using Zaron highlighter in medium, and I'm going to use Elegant Pro concealer in beautiful bronze for the inner part of the brows, and I just use the remnants from the brush to just shade the brows a little. Then I'm blending in everything to make sure everything comes out smoothly. Then for the main color, I am using Naked Gel Liner as a base for the eyeshadow, so I'm just applying it, and then I'm using a kind of pencil brush to just brush out the edges to make sure everything is smooth. Then I am going to use a black eyeshadow to kind of set that base. Then I'm taking in my orange shade and I'm using it at the end of the black. I'm just trying to give a transition. Then I'll just go back and forth with the black eyeshadow and the orange to make sure everything goes well. Then I'm using a glitter glue to apply these red glitters. I'm just trying to press it on and apply it smoothly. It can be messy, so after applying, I just had to clean her lashes because her lashes were already filled with glitters. Now for her skin proper, I am using the Cetaphil moisturizer to moisturize her skin. After which I'll go into the Rimmel Stay Matte primer to prime it, and everything has to get dried before I apply the foundation. So for her foundation, I mixed the Flawless Ivy in Honey and the Flawless Ivy in Ebony, and then I'm just blending it in like so. For her highlights, I used the same Zaron highlighter in medium, and I'm just blending it with the other side of the beauty sponge. So guys, I would love to do a get to know me tag. I have not done it ever since, and I would love you to participate in it. So please do follow me on my Instagram at LaFrances so that you'll be able to ask me questions about myself, of which I'll give you answers in one of my videos, because I don't know the particular video, but I hope to do it during this vlogmas season. I hope it's going to be fun actually, and I have a lot of hopes. So please do participate guys. So I went on to contour her face, and then I went to contour her nose off camera, but I did not do a sharp contour. I used beautiful bronze actually, so it is not even kind of obvious. And then I'm using the Airspun loose powder on her face like so. And now to set the contour I did earlier, I'm using Milan powder in warm. As I said, I was not going for a very sharp contour because the eyes is already speaking loud enough. So I just used the Milan in warm to just make sure everything was set, and then I used that as a face powder because the Airspun had already highlighted the major areas I wanted it to highlight for me. So for her lips, I am using Beyond Beauty lipstain. I've forgotten the color, but I know that it's going to be in the description box below, so please do check it out. And since I did not have a brown lip stain, I am actually using the color I used to contour her face. as a brown lip stain. And then I'm taking time to set those little areas so that it don't crease or become oily or having shines. Now I'm using Beauty Line by Didi to set her brows, and then I still went back in to set her brow bone with the same blending powder. It was already highlighted with a bright eyeshadow, so it doesn't really matter if I use that Milan. And then for her highlight, I am using Goldmine from Zaron eyeshadow palette in Air. So to set her entire face, I'm using green tea setting spray. So this is the final look, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a huge thumbs up, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Thank you.